An Ashtapati is a type of musical composition from India with 8 lines or steps. It refers to poems composed in the 12th century by the poet Jayadeva, set to music. Jayadeva's most famous work was the Gita Govindam, which portrays the relationship between the Krishna, our dear Krishna, and the gopis to symbolize devotion to the divine. The Ashtapati, all you will witnessing today, is one of the verse from Jayadeva's Ashtapati, Sa Virahe. Here, Radha's companion Saki, represented by our dancer, observed Sri Krishna sitting sadly in the cottage in a deep forest. He was overcome with grief due to separation from Radha. Our Saki describes Radha's state of mind to him. She tells him, "O Madhava, Radha is cursing the fragrance of sandalwood and moon's pleasant rays. She is imagining that she was hiding behind you due to fear from Madhava's arrows. Radha is arranging a bed with Manmada's flower arrows. She wishes to embrace you on it. Radha's eyes are filled with tears, resembling water bearing clouds. Radha lost herself while thinking about you. She is grieving at your detachment and is laughing at your deceitful acts. She is weeping. She is restless due to fear of love. O Krishna, look what you have done to her. Poor Radha is suffering from the pain of separation. Please go and console her." Now presenting Ashtapati in Ragam Darbari Kannada, set in Adi Talam, dance choreographed by Kalakshetra.
विरहे तव साविरहे तव दीना साविरहे विरहे तव माधव मनसि च विशिगभयादिव भावनया त्वयि लीला भावनया त्वयि लीला भावनया त्वयि लीला निन्दति चन्दनं इन्दुकिरणमनु विन्दति खेदमदीरम् व्याळनिलय मिलनेन गरळमिग कलयति मलय समीरम् साविरहे तव दीना साविरहे तव निन्दति चन्दनम् इन्दुकिरणमनु विन्दति खेदमदीरम् निन्दति चन्दनमिन्दुकिरणमनु विन्दति खेदमदीरम् व्याळनिलय मिलनेन गरळमिव कलयति मलय समीरम् व्याळनिलय मिलनेन गरळमिव कलयति मलय समीरम् साविरहे तव दीना माधव मनसि च विशिगभयादिव भावनया त्वयि लीना भावनया त्वयि लीना भावनया त्वयि लीना कुसुम विशख शरतल्पमनल्पं विलासकला कमनीयम् व्रतमिव तव परिरम्भ सुखाय करोति कुसुम शमनीयम् साविरहे तव दीना साविरहे तव दीना कुसुम विशख शरतल्पमनल्प विलासकला कमनीयम् कुसुम विशख शरतल्पमनल्प विलासकला कमनीयम् व्रतमिव तव परिरम्भ सुखाय करोति कुसुम शयनीयम् व्रतमिव तव परिरम्भ सुखाय करोमि कुसुम शरणी साविरहे तव दीन मनसि च विशिखभया पावनय त्वयि लीन पावनय त्वयि लीन पावनय त्वयि लीन ध्यानलयेन पुरा परिकल्प्य भवन्तमतीव दुरापम् ध्यानलयेन पुरा परिकल्प्य भवन्तम् अतीव दुरापम् विलपति हसदी विषीदति रोदति विलपति हसदि विषीदति